In front of me is LENOVO Tab P12 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and clicking on this blue button at the bottom to start recording. Then select while using the app in the pop-up, allow or don't allow in the second one, and allow in the third one. Finally, as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same blue button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the right one. Now, to access a list of all your recordings, click on those three lines at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. To rename it, hold it. Choose rename at the bottom. Type in wherever you want to and select finish. And to get rid of it, hold it again and this time use pin icon at the bottom on the left. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!